Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nivedha. Now, if you are an MBBS student doing your first year, now this video is for you guys, right? So I'm going to introduce you to 4 textbook of biochemistry that you have to know in your first year of MBBS. All right. So let's get into the textbooks. So the first textbook is, of course, I'm pretty sure all of you guys would know this textbook. This is the Vasudevan's textbook of biochemistry, right? So this is a must-to-have book, must-to-buy book in your first year of MBBS. Now, this book has almost all the contents according to your new CBME curriculum. So it covers your entire syllabus. And it is, of course, updated. Yes, it is updated every year. Every year it has been updated. So it is pretty good book for you guys. So you must have this. And there are, of course, few disadvantages that I personally feel from my MBBS students that they told me that for certain topics the content was too much, or the content was like there is no coherence that they can understand. So for which I would refer Rafi's textbook of biochemistry. All right. So in this textbook, for certain topics like your molecular biology, or like for example integration of metabolism, for these topics, or for any metabolism topics for that matter, like lipid metabolism or amino acid metabolism, it has like the topic is covered coherently, right? So that you'll be able to read it like a story. So if you are not able to follow Vasudevan's textbook of biochemistry for certain topics, you can of course follow Rafi's textbook of biochemistry. All right. Now, the next textbook that I would like to introduce you to is the Lipans Illustrated Reviews in Biochemistry. Now, this is a very nice textbook. Now, especially for your molecular biology, right? So for molecular biology and molecular techniques, I would suggest you to read this textbook, for especially like your lactoperon. The way the lactoperon is being described in this textbook is it's very good. It is the right way. It's the right way. Also for DNA replication, translation. So in all these transcription. So in all these cases, you would have a step-by-step explanation, which is very much essential for your basic understanding. Because in the first year, it is the first time you're actually entering into the molecular biology, right? So you have to read it. You have to understand molecular biology so that you can present it in your paper. So also, if not for exams, also for understanding purpose, understanding the concepts, you have to have this textbook, right? And also it has feed fast cycle, which is very, very, very nicely represented. And it has so much of pictures like for your lipoprotein metabolism. Yes, HDL metabolism, LDL metabolism, chylomicron metabolism. For all these cases, pictures are beautiful. And for your exams, while presenting your paper, you should have so much of flow charts and diagrams, is it not? So you must, to represent it, you can use this textbook. So for any topic that you read in your Vasudevan's textbook or your Rafi's textbook, please we see this textbook also for pictures. That will be entirely useful for you guys. And for molecular biology and techniques, please do follow this textbook. All right, you can just have a copy of the molecular biology part alone for you guys, and you can follow that, right? It is for your understanding of the concepts of molecular biology, which is very, very nicely given in this Lipans textbook. All right. The last but not the least, I would like to introduce you to this textbook, that is the Harpers Illustrated Biochemistry. This is actually a reference textbook. It's a PG level textbook. In the first go, if you read this, maybe you will not understand it as a first year MBBS student. But this is a reference textbook. Okay. So for example, if you have any topic and you find different contents in different textbook, then you can just straight away go to this textbook and see what is given there. For example, I would tell you definitions for cofactor, coenzyme, prosthetic group. This can be different. There can be different explanations in different textbook. For that case, you can just open this textbook, see whatever it is giving you. So as per Harper's reference, if you write, and nothing will go wrong. Right. So in that case, for this, the definition of prosthetic group, coenzyme, cofactor, if you go by this book, then that will do good. So this, not in the first go, I'm not telling you that you have to buy this textbook and you have to learn all of your topics from this textbook, but this is a reference textbook for you guys. So whenever you're confused with anything, any topic, you can just go back to this textbook. You can come to this textbook, you can refer this textbook for your thing, right? Also for your assignments, also for your SDL, you can go to this textbook, read contents so that you gain more knowledge on whatever you're reading. All right. So yes, these are the 4 different textbooks that I want to introduce you guys to. Yes, hope this was useful. And I would also give you another information. There is an app, Clinical Biochemistry. Yes. And there is a course for MBBS student as well as in MD Biochemistry PGs, right? So you can just download the app and check out the contents. You will have study materials, recorded lectures, live lectures going now and on and off. All right, and like MCQs also for MBBS students. So this is a whole entire package, complete package that you find for MBBS Biochemistry and MD Biochemistry. So please do check that out, right? And the link I will give you in the description box. Just go for it. And please also like, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel for further for further videos. And do comment what textbook you are following. So I'll be more than happy to give you a review on the textbook that you are commenting. All right. Yes. Thank you, guys.